Hello friends. The beautiful celestial ball, moon, has been fascinating man for several millions of years. The real quest to reach moon has been started in the year 1950s when USA and USSR has been competing each other to reach moon. The USA being the first country to put a man called Neil Armstrong on the moon using Apollo rocket in the year 1969. His words of one small step for a man, one giant leap for a mankind has been inspiring people across the globe. India's ambition to reach moon has started with its Chandrayaan mission. With the launch of Chandrayaan 3, the ISRO is embarking to achieve the successful soft landing on the moon. Chandrayaan 3 begins its final countdown to a successful moon landing. The Indian spacecraft performed successfully the separation of Vikram lander module from the propulsion module on 17th August. Now only a few days are left before the lander module will make an attempt for soft landing on the south polar region of the moon on 23rd August. If Chandrayaan 3 mission succeeds, India will be the fourth country to master the technology of soft landing using lunar robotic rover on moon's surface after USA, China and former Soviet Union. Now let us see what is Chandrayaan 3 mission. It is India's second lunar mission and third attempt for the soft landing on the moon's surface. The mission took off from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota on July 14, 2023 at 2:35 pm. The mission's objectives were to demonstrate safe and soft landing on the moon's surface, to demonstrate rover roving on the moon, to conduct in situ scientific experiments, which means conducting on-site experiments on the space. The features of the Chandrayaan 3 consist of the indigenous lander module and the propulsion module and a rover. The lander named Vikram, which was named after the scientist Vikram Sarabhai, and the rover named Pragyan of Chandrayaan 3 remain same as the Chandrayaan 2 mission. We will see what is the difference between rover and the lander. The lander aimed for the soft landing on the moon's surface. Rovers are specialized payloads that detach from the landers and move independently on the lunar surface. The scientific payloads on the lander aim to study the various aspects of the lunar environment. These payloads include studying lunar quarks and the thermal properties of the lunar surface and changes in the plasma near the surface and accurately measuring the distance between the Earth and the Moon. The propulsion module of Chandrayaan 3 features a new experiment called spectropolarimetry of habitable planet Earth called SHAPE. SHAPE aims to search for smaller planets with potential habitability by analyzing the reflected light. Now we will see the launch and timeline of the Chandrayaan 3 mission. The LVM-3 launcher has been successfully utilized to launch Chandrayaan 3. Chandrayaan 3's journey is estimated to take approximately 42 days, with the landing being scheduled on 23rd August 2023 at the lunar dawn. The lander and the rover will have a mission life of 1 lunar day, which is about 14 Earth days. They work on the solar energy. The landing site for the Chandrayaan 3 is on the south pole of the lunar surface. Now we will see what are India's other Chandrayaan missions. Chandrayaan 1. India's first lunar exploration started with Chandrayaan 1 in 2008, which aimed to create a 3D dimensional atlas of the moon and conduct mineralogical mapping. The launch vehicle used was PSLV C-11. Chandrayaan 1 made significant discoveries, including detection of water and hydroxyl on the lunar surface. Chandrayaan 1 made significant discoveries, including detection of water and hydroxyl on the lunar surface. Chandrayaan 2, consisting of an orbiter, lander and a rover, with the goal of exploring the south pole of the lunar surface. The launch vehicle used was GSLV Mark III. Although the lander and the rover got crashed on the lunar surface, the orbiter successfully collected the significant data and found the signatures of water present on all latitudes. Though the lander and rover got crashed on the moon's surface, the orbiter successfully clicked the pics of the debris of the lander and the rover, which got collapsed on the moon's surface, and also collected a significant data which laid a foundation for the launch of the Chandrayaan 3. With this, India is just days away from realizing its long-awaited dream of lunar touchdown. However, India is not the only country aiming for the moon this time. Russia's Luna 25 joined Chandrayaan 3 in the lunar orbit as it gears up for its own landing on the moon's uncharted south pole. The overlapping timelines of both the missions has resulted in a thrilling competition in the skies between the two global powers. Chandrayaan 3 is meticulously planned to soft landing within 40 days of its launch, and Luna 25 is planned to launch within 11 days of its launch. This rapid journey of Luna 25 is attributed to the mission's lightweight design and efficient fuel storage capacity, enabling it to take a shorter path to its destination. Order of arrival does not make much difference in the mission's outcome, and what matters is the knowledge gained through each mission is more important. This competition ignites a spirit of innovation and pushing us to improve our spacefaring capabilities collectively. Hence, the south pole of the moon would offer a valuable insights contributing to our understanding of moon's history and evolution, which may hold enough elements to turn into the next frontier for human exploration. Thank you.